Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll ask about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of Pokemon Go and you click here. In this page of app, on file you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem.